So, Marie-Claude, the European patent with unitary effect and the Unified Patent Court came into effect on the 1st of June 2023. What impact do you think that this is going to have on parties seeking to obtain and enforce European patent rights?
In fact, the unitary patent eliminates many complex and costly national proceedings, since it allows an invention to be protected in 17 European countries with only a single application filed before the European Patent Office. In terms of cost, the cost for obtaining such a protection in that many countries is greatly reduced. And in fact, the cost is lower than the traditional cost for protecting a European patent in 4 countries.
And of course, this should go up as more member states ratify the UPC agreement, so that eventually it should be possible to obtain protection in 25 different countries by filing a single application.
Yeah, that would be great. And this new system includes another court, the Unified Patent Court. This new court has been set up to decide on infringement and validity of both unitary patents, but also European patents. The goal or the key issue, the key feature of this new court is really that the decisions of this court has effect in all these 17 European countries with a single action. Another interesting point with this new court is that the goal of this new court is to expedite patent litigation, and it aims to take 1 year to issue a decision.
Wow, so that's obviously a lot faster than the usual 2 to 3 years that it takes to obtain a decision before national courts.
Yeah, exactly. And another interesting point is that this new court aims to harmonize the decisions across Europe in order to avoid any different decision rendered by the different national courts.
So this should hopefully provide more predictability in decisions. Is that right?
Totally agree.
And so in the 9 months since the Unified Patent Court came into existence, there have been a high volume of cases. What do you think this says about the views of European patent rights holders about the court?
For the moment, there is around 30 new cases per month. So it's really a high level of new cases. The majority of these actions are some infringement actions, revocation actions, and counterclaims for revocations. And the majority of these cases have been launched before the German division or the French divisions. It's about 90% of the cases. And in terms of languages used for the proceedings, we can say that in more than 95% of the cases, the language used is the English or German. And in terms of company, the majority of this company are based in the US, in Germany, in Japan, in Netherlands, and in the UK.
And these companies cover a wide spectrum of technical sectors, is that right? So that includes telecommunications, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, electric vehicles, really covering a wide range of different fields.
So this means that this new court is not only for a specific industry or certainly not for a certain type of companies.
It appears that the Unified Patent Court has been a success so far and has been recognized as being an important forum for settling European patent disputes. We're looking forward to the first decisions being issued in the coming months, and we'll, of course, continue to provide updates on the Withers and Rogers website.